Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2021 F350 swept line, full wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus, full ceramic, full XR Plus window film, every piece of glass, and DynoFlex by S-Tech on the windshield and moonroofs. And I think that's about it. So let's go over the truck. Lots to do here. Lots of stuff to wrap. First, we're going to start with Super Duty. What I do is I do not cut these out like they show in patterns where it's a big rectangle or square, whatever you want to call it. I get those inlaid all in one piece. So the full hood is done. Every edge is wrapped, and I inlay as I go. There's the way to do it. It's a piece of cake. And if you don't know how to do it and you want to know how to do it, I guess give me a call. Let me pop the hood on this for the naysayers. I love naysayers. Lots of those people out there. I specialize in shutting you up. So let's open this guy up. Show you a little bit of the bra underneath. Oh, why don't you looky there? All one piece. So all that's in. Let's look for a little bit more of that bra. There's some right there too. So there it is, our one piece fully done hood. Let's leave that up like that. And we'll go over it again tomorrow before delivery. Everything nicely done, nicely in. All the way up around these edges, these fenders too. Everything's all wrapped in around that corner, this corner. All this was removed. Everything's behind it. Mirrors were taken off. Everything behind it. All these guys were removed here, the logos. Honestly, I think it looks better without them, but I guess we need to tell everybody what's in it. That motor's only been in it for a gazillion years. All this is done, all this plastic here, those scratch up right from the time they leave the factory. All these came off, all this came out, the handles, bed was fully done, all this came out, all this was wrapped. Didn't take these off. We were able to slide it under those. Let's go around the other side because I'm up against the wall here. Again, all these moldings came off, so no lines. Everything's underneath. A-pillars fully encased all the way around, both sides. Roof's fully done in one section. The bumpers obviously not. They're chrome, and he's taking them off anyway. Didn't want them done. Headlights are done. Here's our corners again and our fenders all the way around. Coming around. These were removed just like the other side, removed. All back in its same orientation, obviously. These are back in its same orientation. All the belt moldings were taken off. Clearbrow's nice, clean. The B-pillar's done. Coming around this framing, all done, all wrapped in. Oh, all wrapped into right there. You can see the line. Nicely done. All wrapped around these tips. Fully one section, all one piece, all the way under, over the sticker, through into the head, tail lights. All wrapped in, no lines. This truck truly, if it's lucky, if it has one line somewhere, we like that, especially on white, like we talk about, because it'll show a dirt line in a second. You know, your darker colors doesn't give you an excuse to not do a wrap, but darker colors, you know, if somebody didn't want to pay for some of the stuff getting wrapped in and taken apart, you can get away with it. But white, you gotta wrap them in and remove pieces to get it handled. So there you go, F250 fully wrapped, Clearbrow, paint protection film, whatever you want to call it, it's the same thing. XPEL Ultimate Plus, excellent install. This guy will be super happy, and he's protected for the road for a long time, along with the ceramic, the window film, the XR Plus, top of the line for the heat rejection. And there you go, clearbrownorthdallas.com if you guys need anything. Phone 214-414-3809. You can look at us online. There's a few more numbers you can get me at. And extension 1 will get to me. I'm Brent. Have a great night.